10 p.m. So, like, if you have some doubts from previous session or you want to ask something regarding anything which we have discussed yesterday or any problem which you might have faced, then you can maybe ask it. We'll be discussing about those for next 5-10 minutes, and then we'll start with the today's session.
Sir, I want to ask one thing.
Yeah.
In my portfolio, there was three pages about index and learning. I have done the index page, but how to render all the pages, I don't know that. Matlab, I know how to render index page. I have done that, but
Mhm.
I was doing the about and the learning page, so
Okay. So
that is not
basically,
completed yet.
React is mostly used for creating single page application. What single page application means is your page will be loaded once and it won't be reloading again. You won't see the browser refreshing the page, and everything will be taken care by JavaScript. So right now you have not read about this thing. There is something called React Router, which is used for taking care of navigation within the React app. So suppose before you used to use ahref target blank and you pass in the file name, right, to open about page or any other HTML page. Over here, we'll be making use of something called React Router, and it will take care of navigation within the React application. So we'll read about it in future classes.
Okay, so for now, I will submit the
Yeah.
index one
So you
only.
can just for now submit the index.html with your home page. That's it.
Okay, okay,
Yeah.
okay. I will submit that.
सर
Yes.
जैसा मैंने जो किया ना कि पूरी जो index.html थी ना वो पूरे एक ही वो रिएक्ट app.js में सारा रूट में ही डाल दिया तो वैसा
हाँ.
करना है कि अलग अलग div के लिए अलग अलग फंक्शन बनाना है.
So it don't depends on the div basically कि मतलब ऐसा नहीं कि हर div के लिए you need to create a new file. So what we are learning in React is we have to keep our code reusable. So if we have written some piece of code एक बार, suppose you have written a ordered list which is having multiple list items and you are using it multiple times in your project, so you don't need to write same HTML again and again. So what you can do is
To do that.
yeah. So we will read about something called components. So components are like reusable piece of code which can be used again and again based on different data. So you can pass different data to the same component and it will be rendered multiple
Okay.
times. Yeah, we'll read about this also. But yeah, like nice try like setting up the React project online and going through it. So good work for the first day.
So did you guys set up on the local system or the code sandbox? Ria and Kushali?
Sir, I have done the local also, but on that I have not done the portfolio thing. I have done the basic Hello World and basic project, but I have done the portfolio one on the code sandbox.
Great, great. ठीक है. And
So
Kushali?
basically, I have used both.
I have done in both of them, but in the local it is showing some error.
Local is showing error. Like maybe we can fix that now because that's what the QA for. What is the error? You can show that now.
It was like could not find the path of app.js ऐसा कुछ था.
Acha, okay. Send down the QA, and we will answer there because I
Yeah, I
think the
think
import path was missing.
I didn't get that. What that
Okay,
error meant.
ठीक है, ठीक है.
no worries. I think if someone is facing any issues with setting up on local, we can take it up separately. You can reach out to Deepak or me, and we can connect and figure out the problems.
Perfect. Yeah.
Anything
Rutik,
apart from
any problem?
I already had like used create React app in localhost. So today I just used Code Sandbox and created it on Code Sandbox.
Perfect, perfect. Abhishek, Only 7 people have joined. Hello.
Yes sir.
Yeah. What
सर
about yours?
सर सेटअप हो गया है, वो प्रोजेक्ट पे आज काम करूंगा अभी थोड़ा।
अच्छा, in code sandbox or local?
सर लोकल पे ही ट्राई कर रहा हूँ, कोड सैंडबॉक्स का कोई आइडिया नहीं है।
No, but you have to use from now, like we will be using the code sandbox because I think it will be easier to review the code and the application also. So from now on, we will be using code sandbox for review.
Yeah, it will be used for some time until we set up something on GitHub. So once it will be ready, we'll all move to GitHub then. But till then,
Right,
like it's
right.
better to use Sandbox.
Okay fine sir, then I will like use the sandbox in night.
Just set up create React on your local, so it should be running like in case in future when we'll
Yeah,
start with GitHub thing.
it's
So
running. I have like run the basic parts like basic HTML things. Hello world and basic. So
yeah.
it was running fine. Yeah, there was nothing else.
Okay, sounds good.
Perfect. Lakshay, any question?
Sir, I just tried to like make small project using like a Trello board type uh, in the like the to do app type it is like, but in that like it is a to Trello type. You can like shift the board from to do list to in and the completed part.
Okay, so have you like did you share the link or is it live or not?
No, no, like currently, sir, I'm working on like the basic part layout is done, and most probably like till night I will do that. Like CSS, I have to do some CSS and all, and after that I will host and will like post the
Perfect,
link.
perfect. Okay, take
We
care.
are talking with Lakshya.
So
Yes.
if you want, like I can you can share like a basic view of that, or else I will like post at night the completed project.
Cool. Share the code sandbox for now, or you can deploy on Netlify or GitHub if you have. But code sandbox, in that we can review the code. Uh,
Okay, okay, sir, I will try to do that.
so who else is left? Aman.
Aman has joined.
Aman, have you completed the assignment like yesterday we gave?
Yes, sir, I have completed, but somewhat CSS is missing in that.
Acha, yeah, I saw that. Yeah, CSS. You need to work on the CSS.
Okay.
Okay. Anyone else left? I think Sagar, you can start now then.
Yes, cool. Do I have the share access screen share? Cool, I can.
You have now.
Mm,